Hey dolls, it's your girl Makeup Moo, and this is What's in My Makeup Bag featuring MAC. So guys, this makeup bag is from a collection at MAC many moons ago, but let's go ahead and see what's inside. Starting off strong, I have my Paintpot in the shade Painterly. I absolutely love this product because I use it as a base for all of my eyeshadow looks. Next, we have two of my favorite eyeshadows from MAC in the shade Saddle, which is a staple, of course, because you can use it in the crease or you can use it all over the lid. And I have Stars and Rockets because it's just such a pretty iridescent shade that I like to also use all over the lid or right in the corner of my eye for that extra pop. Of course, I have my Studio Fix Fluid. Of course, it's in the shade NC50. Now, girls, I try a lot of foundations, but I always go back to my heart because it just gives you such a flawless finish and it lasts all day. MAC, we need to have a conversation because I looked on the website and I no longer seen my favorite blush of all time. So, I don't know if you guys put her in the archives or what, but I'm gonna need for my sisters to be able to purchase her too. Guys, this is my favorite blush in the shade Burnt Peppers. If you've been watching me for a long time, you already know I call it Burnt Peppers, even though it's just called Burnt Pepper, but you know I gotta put an S on the end. But girl, this is my favorite blush of all time. It's so pretty and it looks gorgeous on any skin tone. Next up, I have my Mineralize Skinfinish in the shade Cheeky Bronze, and I really love to layer this on top of my Burnt Peppers or Raisin or Pinch Me, any blush, and it just gives it that extra pretty pop. Now, y'all know I got my girl Jatavia Shakara Johnson lip combo in my bag. Pretty. Now, I'm from DC, so you know I love my red lips down, okay? Of course, I got Ruby Woo in my bag, girl. She don't leave home without me. I keep a Ruby Woo on me, okay? I have a million Ruby Woos. Ruby Woo is iconic on her own, but girl, if you ain't hip to Feel So Grand, I'm gonna need for you to tap in. Next, I have my Fix Plus, and I keep this in the big jar as well as the little container for travel purposes. And I really just love to use this as my final step because it binds everything together and give you a nice refreshed look. And last but certainly not least, I have me a little Turquatic, girl. Before I step out the door, I have to put me a little Turquatic on to really seal the deal. I keep all of my favorite MAC goodies in my makeup bag. What's in yours?